Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm making a Unity tutorial on how to collaborate on your games. So this is after you install Unity, and I'm just gonna make a new project just to test it. I'm just gonna name it tutorial. Okay, sorry for those extra tabs, but yeah, I have a lot of tabs open. So I'm gonna wait for it to open the project, and I'll see you then. Okay, so it looks like it's loaded up. Right, it's just a plain world, but we don't need to put anything in. So when you start off, you'll have this screen, and if you want to collaborate, you'll probably see a little symbol like this, and then when you click on this, it brings up a little tab, and then it wants you to set a project ID. So you just have to create a project ID, or yeah. So you have to go select your organization. I'm just gonna use this one for it, and then I'm gonna go create a project ID. There, it's there. So if you want to create together seamlessly, turn this on. Then it brings up a bunch of like extra stuff you can see with it on, but if it's off, it's like hardly anything. And then yeah, I'm just gonna turn it back on. I don't have anybody to test it with, so yeah, I'm just not gonna test it, sorry. So let's gonna wait and see if this will work. Close that. It's finalizing the upload, by the way. Okay, so I just waited a little, and I'm just not too good at this, yeah. So it's just uploading all the files up on the web. So that's how you collaborate with Unity.